Hi, my name is Teen and I'm married to my incredible husband, Jemar, for almost 8 years now, mom to Aaron and Samuel, and I'm the Children's Ministries Director of Saddleback Church Santa Rosa for 5 years. We moved to Nuvali in 2013, and one day, on my way to do our weekly groceries, I was riding the village shuttle. The feather banner in the monochrome caught my eye. It says Saddleback. I thought it was a new restaurant. We walked from Soledad to monochrome. It was so hot, so I can't wait to order for some food or something to drink, only to find out that Saddleback is not a restaurant I was excited for. But instead, it was a restaurant that I was praying for, a restaurant that could offer food and drink for my soul. That year, we were actually praying for a church nearby. Then the following week, we returned back. My first experience was actually overwhelming. Probably because we did not know anyone. It only lasted for a few minutes because hearing the message that weekend, I felt it was for me. Then there was this volunteer from Saddleback Kids who approached me and told me that they can take care of Aaron while I listened to the service. It was new to me to know that there was this kind of ministry that will teach my son while I listened to the service. Because it was foreign to me and I was so afraid, I did not check in Aaron that time. But something I felt that night that I had to find more information about the church and check out the kids ministry. When I learned about it, I got interested because teaching kids is something that I'm passionate about. In the succeeding weeks, we continue attending until I finally let Aaron and find courage for him to experience SK. And witnessing how amazing volunteers in SK love on my son while I listen to the word, that moment I felt that we are home. As parents, of course, we want our kids to grow in an environment where they can be a better person. Not perfect, but and find their purpose. That's what we love about the church. It gives values to kids and families. I was so happy that time, witnessing Aaron being surrounded by loving volunteers. So I asked a volunteer if I can read for Aaron for a few minutes. That volunteer asked me if I'd be interested in joining Saddleback Kids. Of course I did, and here I am today. And after serving a few months in SK, Jorin asked me if I'd be interested to lead SK. I got terrified kasi why me? I had no experience in ministry. I just joined the church and I was a new mom that time. So there was a lot of personal doubts and insecurities. We prayed about it, especially with Jemar, because we recognized that it will affect our family dynamics. I was also working full-time. But one encouragement statement from Pastor Nari changed my life. Skill or knowledge is important. You can learn or gain it. But what is more important is the attitude of your heart. So after a lot of prayers and with Jemar's permission, with a great deal of courage and faith, I said yes to God. There were challenges, and I think the most difficult to me was self-doubt and insecurities. I believe that there were others who I think were more equipped and deserving than me. But you know, I hold on to God's promise that when God calls you, He equips you. True to His promises, every time that I almost give up, and there were a lot of times, God equips me and sends me people who help me back up and push through. I find so much joy in the kids, our volunteers, families, meeting new people and learning from them. And the little things that surround the ministry, the smiles of the kids, their laughters, even their cries. But the greatest joy that I experienced was after the times of trial, because it is those times that we demonstrate our endurance of our faith. I am thankful for our pastor, Matt, and the CGT staff and the volunteers who never get tired of reminding me that I'm enough, I have a purpose, and I'm making a difference. And for the last 5 years, I am so grateful for the opportunity to change lives and influence the next generation. I'm thankful that in this vessel that allows me to do what I love to do. Love on the kids, help the families, and reach out to the communities to spread the love of Jesus. I'm grateful for so many people, I'm sure sent by God, who continue to inspire and encourage me. I'm grateful for my Saddleback Kids family, whom for 5 years have been serving and persevering with me. I am learning a lot from them, and I thank them for their faith in me despite my inadequacies. And I'm grateful for how God is molding me in character and in faith. In my first year in Saddleback, I used to dream for SK to be big and known, but I had it wrong. Now my hope is for Jesus to be big in the hearts of the kids and their families through SK. I love Saddleback Kids, I love our church, and I love the people in our church community.